Welcome back to Clark's Our Culinary. Today we're going to be making a delicious blueberry lemonade cake. We'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. Let's whisk the dry ingredients together. In a separate mixing bowl, we're going to combine our wet ingredients. We'll need 1½ cups of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 4 eggs, 1 packed tablespoon of lemon zest. And just to let you know, that was 3 lemons that I zested for this recipe. There we go. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's whisk the ingredients together. Very good. Let's mix the wet ingredients in with the dry. I'm going to use this hand mixer to make sure our batter is nice and smooth. Our batter is nice and smooth. Now we're going to add in 2 cups of blueberries. And let's fold those blueberries in. All right, let's get it over into the pan, and then we're going to get it into the oven and get us a nice cake baked. I'll be using my large loaf pans, and I've dusted them with some all-purpose flour, and this is enough batter for 2 large loaves or 4 small loaves. I'm going to go ahead and put some of the batter over into the loaf pan. Place the pans in the oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Time will vary depending on what size pan you're using. Once you remove the cakes from the oven, allow them to cool for at least 15 to 30 minutes and then remove them from the pan and onto a cooling rack. Let the blueberry lemonade cakes cool for 45 minutes to an hour and then lightly dust with powdered sugar. And when you're ready, serve and enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching Clark's Our Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.